flashbacks to 2021. What's been going on, and why the sell-off yesterday?
I mean, look, this was supposed to be a huge week for meme stocks, and it was, but it was just relatively brief. At least it's looking like that so far. And I've been talking to a lot of people on Reddit. I've been talking to analysts, and one story that I found kind of interesting here was that maybe this was a sort of tech FOMO play. That there are people out there who didn't get in on the huge tech rally. They felt like they were missing out. They saw some momentum, and I think what's been interesting here with some of these meme stocks is some of that options activity had actually been picking up before Roaring Kitty sent out the tweet that really kind of kicked off a lot of this price action. So this could potentially be people trying to get in on something in this boom that we're seeing and playing that. But of course, it looks like it's dying out, and I think this could be an indication that where we are right now is so different from 2021. Wall Street has wised up, of course. They know when to get in, but they also know when to get out.
Can I just flag, over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the stock's still up 126%. So we talk about it fading, it's still up by 126%. So there's some significant gains.
Fair point. But I think what has also been interesting is this idea of hodlers. So people who may have bought in, flashing way back to 2021. Some of these retail investors, they bought in kind of near that peak. I think that's the kind of story that you hear.
Do you think they're getting out?
Getting out, yeah. And so on some of these platforms, we've actually seen more selling activity from retail than buying. And so that could potentially be indicating that there's some people who've been in for a long time.
Right.
And they're finally at the point where they're like, look, I'm just going to take some...
Here's my option to exit.
Is there some broader story around the consumer attached to this then, Charlie?
I think one narrative you could take from this, if you think about retail traders, you think about them as consumers, you know, sentiment for consumers has been pretty bad across the board, but then there's been this strange story where behavior has actually been good. We've seen a lot of spending continue.
People going to Taylor Swift concerts.
Just like me going this weekend, even though my sentiment's not great. But they're speculating, right? If you are a retail investor buying into AMC or GameStop, that is speculation. I think everyone, including these people, know that. But, you know, does that continue? I think that's the real question here. And the other big one is, was this retail or was this institutional?